So we've decided to climb at Wyddfa today, the mountain formerly known as Snowdon. We're about 2 miles in, and it is technical and straight up. Very Dovey-esque with its slate. That is pure pain. The worst bit's the first mile. So far, the second mile's been pretty sweet. Probably should have taken the train. Still about 3.5 miles from the summit, and the rain's gone away. Oh, tech down. Look at these stones there. So I'm not going to talk much because I'm working hard. Oh, this is steep. Shouldn't have you in bits in a minute. There's a little tunnel. I've never even been up with that before. Pretty meaty, people everywhere. Now this is the end of October, it's still warm enough, but when the rain hits it's pretty cold. Oh, change gear for the first time in about a week. So look at this little the bridge. So there's a railway line up there for the lazy ones. I expect someone will wave to me, but no, oh, there they go, everyone's waving. That's the Yeti. See if I can beat the Yeti to the top. Let's go. Man versus train. It's just got real. Right, I'm going to fall apart on a bit. Yeah, he hasn't got any rocks to contend with. It's pretty steep, this hill. Still doing alright though, tracking the train. Don't know how much it costs. It's probably not as cool as being on your bike. I don't think I'm going to beat the train, so I'm going to get up in a bit. Oh, tack down. It's a little bit bumpy. Passing the train. Come on. He's texting me this time. Just avoid some rocks, eh? Oh, hardcore. Bit of climbing. Still with the train. I got caught in there. And a little bit of rain coming. There's an old building there. And apparently there's somebody else cycling up this hill in front of us. Oh, look at this. As if the hill itself isn't enough. Oh. Oh. Must be about halfway now, I'd imagine, by this shed. Okay. Thanks. Right. Oh, it's hard. Might need this in a bit. We're halfway apparently, and the rest of the climbing is meant to be in the red the entire time. Oh, look at these little steps. They'd be better the other way. Going down. Yeah, he's up. Oh, and there's the rain. As if by magic. I'll pick up again in a bit. Oh, hang on. Interesting bit of nasty climb terrain. Straight on that. Oh man. I'll have a go with this. Come on then. Don't know if I am. Trying. Oh wow. Pure tech. Oh. That was tough. And it just goes on. So I reckon walking this is probably alright. Cycling over this tech terrain is awful. I think that's the worst day. Ranging it up. A thick sheet of rain. It's like behind him. The blood. It's just a bit of pebble ASMR now. That's your thing. The rain's gone. Another little tap bit. Oh, no, I felt it. Alright, cheers man. Everything at the moment is just massive step ups, which I can barely even get my wheel over. Doing alright. Some guys just come down on his bike say that everything is really slippery. So got that to look forward to shortly. But we'll see. We'll walk for a bit if needs be. Don't want to. This rain is crazy. It comes on for like a minute, just blasts down real hard, then stops. Right, let's continue on. Yeah, look at this. Disgusting. I thought that was a good idea. I don't know if I can get up there, can I? Oh, he's done it somehow. Bit of a pedal scrape there. Oh, look at the state of this. Bloody hell. This is pure tech. Anyway, still going. Busy day on the hill though. Oh, I'm going to stay at that bit. I have to go right, I reckon. Oh man, it's massive. No, I'm never going to get up there. Fuck. Brutal. Not a bad little view. So where Rich is gone. So we'll get up into those clouds there, I believe. Can you hear the train again? Well, Shane, it's just too slippery. Can't get any grip on these bad boys. They're so steep. Just slipping off everything. So even though I feel like a loser, I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh my god, it's so steep. Whoa. It's really sweet. I'm not gonna go too close to the edge of this. But look at that. We're into the last third of this climb. We just keep kicking up into brutal, steep sections. But oh, look at that. That's pretty cool. Look at that, doing a push. Too steep, slippery again. Terrain, back terrain. Probably the worst terrain I've been in for months. There it comes. It's so steep now. If you're going to do this, do it in the summer. It's dry. A bit warmer. Your gloves stay nice and dry. Look at that, it's bone dry. We're back on the bike. There's about 180 metres of climbing. Right. Vertical climbing, that is. 180 metres vertical climbing left. Oh, pardon me. That's a banana cake. Should be good now for the remainder. Flying along now. Can't really see much. On a bike. I'd probably recommend it. You can do it on a better day. This weather's brutal. Tune up the last half a mile or so. Maybe a bit more. Pick a line. Still so steep. And there was wind against it. It's really hard. It's the last 80 or so metres of vertical climbing. Everything seems to have levelled off a fair bit. Stuff you can ride. It's hailstones now though, right in the face. It's Punisher. Get a bit of pace up in that one. Just hope I'm going the right way because I can't see anyone or anything. Wow, this wind is picking up. Awesome people. Alright. I've just seen something coming. Hop back, really back. nothing. Look at that. Oh, thanks. Everything's so bleak. We're part of the close. See the shadow of the distance at the top. Look at this little bike. Try it another day. Next day. Wow. Not going to go too close. Being tired and all. There's a train. Probably about the same speed I hit when I went full pelt. That's one way of doing it, yeah? You made it. Nothing. me. Probably bouncing all over the place. But it is a punisher on the arms and the thighs. Wow. Whoa. Another step forward. Yeah. Don't think I've ever written anything like this before. Need a break. My legs are left in roasting and so hot from this descent. Eyes are burning. Rest, I think. This is brutal. Thanks. Very slippery this. I know. Whoop. Oh, this is pretty much the whole descent. Wow. Go. Just coming through on your right. Thanks. The legs are on fire. Just been doing this. Oh jeez. Like coming through just behind. Thanks. What, coming through? Just coming through behind you? Thanks. Yeah, weather's turned out lovely. As you can see, it's lovely now. So nice, you know, this Wyddfa. Still had down here, I think. We stopped earlier. I don't think it's much of that. Alright. Forearms to join. Feels like we're locked in it up. Ah, who cares? Top of the world now, well, it almost literally was. That's it. Wow. Oh, just punching. Wow. That was a bit. Oh, that is hard. Thanks. Oh. Aye, aye. Thank you. Thanks. Thank you. Cheers. Thanks. Far better. Cheers. Wow. We're off the road. All good? Yeah. Down here, this is where it all started. 24% climb. Found that is. Thanks. quid. There you have it. Done.
Right.